Hi guys, welcome to our channel and today we have a special guest.
Hello guys.
So before we move on, a disclaimer that there's no statistical data is provided, and I would say that anyone watching this, please don't take offense because it's totally based on a personal view. You might have a different objection to it. So if you have anything else to add on, please put it in the comment section. Most awaited videos, and let's begin with it. My name is Yashi and I'm currently studying in VIT Vellore Institute of Technology.
I am Sudeep Sao. I am currently studying in SIT Pune, Symbiosis Institute of Technology.
So we are going to compare our experiences, and people who do not know, he had already applied for VIT. He got into VIT, but he chose SIT over VIT. So we have some insights about it, and let's begin with the video. First and foremost, why did he choose SIT over VIT?
So my personal opinion was me staying in Mumbai, Pune is much closer to me. So that is one of the reason I chose SIT, and also considering the fact that there are many categories in VIT during the fees payment, whereas in SIT there is just one particular fee which is applied to all students. So that was one of my reason of choosing SIT over VIT.
The opportunities provided, and for me, especially in BSc Multimedia and Animation, we do not really have categories. We have the same fee structure compared to BTech, which is really true. The category fee system is quite different, but that's one of the personal reasons, so you can add it on. About the life in VIT and SIT, the best part about it is that VIT has a fest kind of event going on every time. Every day there will be some club organizing some or the other thing, but the most important ones are the technical one, which is Gravitas, and the other one is cultural, which is Rivera. I'm talking about SIT.
So in SIT, every year in every semester we have a fest. So every time during the even semesters we have our cultural fest Reverb, and during the odd semesters we have our sports fest as well as technical fest. The technical fest is Symbitech, and sports fest is known as Protathletis.
हॉस्टल के बारे में बात करें तो द हॉस्टल लाइफ इन VIT इज़ प्रिटी चिल, बट एट द सेम टाइम you need to live in the hostel. The main rule about it is that if you do not live around the 60-kilometer radius of VIT Vellore, like you're not a residential person of VIT, like if you're not a residential person of Vellore, आपको हॉस्टल के अंदर ही रहना पड़ेगा. And after every year, like first year to second, the transition period, you have to go through the hostel counseling every year, and you can choose your room number, your block, your mess, and your roommates as well, depending on your CGPA, which is an additional benefit for you. But at the same time, people with low CGPA might have to deal with it. And if you talk about the hostel, the timings for the girls and the guys are almost similar. For girls it's 8:30 and for guys it's 9 o'clock. Talking about the Symbiosis hostel life.
So in Symbiosis we have a very few number of hostels, and there is no criteria of GPA to get into the hostels. Till second year everyone gets accommodation in hostel. After second year the CGPA comes into consideration, wherein they have to see those who have a higher GPA or those who are NRI candidates or international candidates, then only they are given hostel, whereas others have to find the accommodation for themselves. This is the case for boys. In case of girls, they are given accommodation for 3 years, and after that even they have to move out. Mess is same for everyone. You are allowed to choose your own roommates, but the room number, the block number, everything will be given by the administration.
So one more additional benefit to these people are that their room, like the washroom is attached. So like if there are 4 roommates, they'll have a separate washroom to themselves. But whereas in VIT Vellore, you'll have to like have a communal washroom. Like for every floor, there will be like stalls of washrooms. So you have to walk till the washroom. That's one of the things I completely feel that is very plus point for them.
Sports facilities which are available in SIT. My campus being the hill, there are actually 2 parts. It is on a hill, so there is a hill-based campus and on the hilltop campus. So in the hill-base, every hostel have their own table tennis. Then they have their pool tables as well. Whereas if we look at the outdoor game arena, we have a basketball court, a volleyball court, cricket court, lawn tennis. We have a kabaddi ground, mud ground, and we have a football turf as well. Considering the Hilltop Sports Club, there is a college known as SSS, Symbiosis School of Sports and Recreation maybe. So there all indoor games are available, squash, badminton, everything. There is a court available. So talking about VIT now.
So VIT is a huge campus, so it has a lot of benefits of sports, and they have like sports fest going on. But again, at the same time, most of your sports would be indoor. Like not indoor as in the inside, but inside of the hostels. Like for girls, if you want basketball separately, you'll have a court inside the hostel itself. And as they can access the ground even after their hostel timings, they can go after 8 or 9. We cannot go to the sports areas after 8:30 because you have to be inside the hostel. So that might be one of the things to be concerned about. But again, you have that facility inside the hostel. You can't play, you can't get the coaching inside, but you can access the court. You have like basketball, you have swimming pool inside your court. So you have like all the squash and all like the indoor games of chess, ludo and everything, you'll have it inside. But again, after 8:30 you can't leave the campus, you can't access the coaching or anything, which is the facility outside.
Also, I would like to add that our Hillbase campus doesn't have a swimming pool, but at the hilltop we have a large swimming pool, and the sports facilities can be accessed till 10:30 because our hostel timings are 10:30.
Yeah, so the hostel timings for us it's 8:30 and for guys it's 9 o'clock. So you really can't. And even their mess, they can sit together and eat. Like the girls and the guys have a same single mess. Whereas in girls, like it's inside your hostel, so you can't go out and all really. So that's one of the things. So talking about the academics and placements, VIT has this really amazing facility called FFCS, Flexible Credit System. They will provide you that you need to do this amount of credit. You can distribute it as you want. So basically you can check, like you can make your own timetable with your own faculties, your own course, your own credits. बस आपको ख़त्म करना है credit. तो academic wise it's pretty chill. You choose to get like तुम्हें morning slots चाहिए morning slots लो, अगर तुम्हें evening slots चाहिए तुम evening slots लो. And talking about placements, तो placements हमारे काफ़ी जल्दी चालू हो जाते हैं. But again, for mostly all the engineering students, you have to pay a certain amount to be a part of the organization in order to sit for the placements. Like आपको placement trainings मिलेंगी, आपको अलग अलग courses मिलेंगे जो आपको करने होंगे, and internship की opportunities मिलती हैं. Packages भी इस बार high गए हैं, but again it highly depends आपके time पे when you're watching this video, the things might have changed a bit. And talking about the SIT.
So there is no such flexible credit system in SIT. There is a university called Symbiosis International University who runs our college SIT. So they have a fixed syllabus which they have prepared and which has been followed by over the years. They make slight modifications. So every semester there is a course called Flexi course wherein all the relevant technologies which is ongoing in the current market, they are teaching that. And that is taught by an industry expert, and rest all the subjects are taught by the faculties which are available in the college. And the timings are fixed, that is from 8:30 to 4:30, 5:30. It works only during that time. And after every month we have our continuous assessments, so wherein there are, according to the credits, the number of assessments are taken. If there it is 3 credits, then 3 assessments will be done. 4 credits, then 4 assessments will be done. Based on that, the internal marks are graded to us. Talking about the placement, we actually don't have to pay any amount to sit into for the placement. The placement is completely free for everyone. But there is a criteria of dream companies, super dream companies, of how many offers you can take. बाकी ट्रेनिंग वगैरह एवरीथिंग द कॉलेज डज इज़ फॉर फ्री. प्लेसमेंट्स जल्दी शुरू हो जाती है, 3rd ईयर में ही शुरू हो जाती है. दे ट्राई कि मैक्सिमम बच्चे प्लेस हो जाए. स्किल्स ट्रेनिंग वगैरह सब प्रोवाइड की जाती है. एंड फॉर एवरी कोर्स एक कंपोनेंट ऐसा होता है जिसमें यू विल हैव टू डू अ पर्टिकुलर कोर्स. उसका सर्टिफिकेट दोगे तभी उसके मार्क्स मिलेंगे. सो इससे तुम्हारे स्किल्स भी डेवलप होता है.
इट्स अबाउट VIT की वो काफ़ी स्ट्रिक्ट है, काफ़ी ये है वो, सब सच है भाई, सब सच है. उधर सारे रूल्स है, टाइमिंग्स है, PDA गार्ड्स है. बट अगेन टू सी दैट कि इट्स स्ट्रिक्ट फॉर अ बैड रीज़न, नहीं. You really require it. Once you get on the campus, you will understand that their whistles are annoying, their like shoutings are annoying, but it's much more necessary compared to it. And अगर देखा जाए गर्ल्स के लिए it is a bit strict because like अब है तो है, बट हाँ थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिक्ट है VIT गर्ल्स के लिए.
सो SIT में मेन चीज़ क्या अच्छी है कि लाइक क्राउड उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है, कम क्राउड है. एंड फैकल्टीज़ एक प्रॉपर टारगेटेड ऑडियंस को रीच कर सकती है. क्लासेस में बटे हुए हैं, कम बच्चे हैं हर क्लास में, तो फैकल्टी एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस दे सकते हैं बच्चे को. आफ्टर द कॉलेज आर ऑल्सो दे आर अवेलेबल. जब भी बोलो, हमारे एक सब्जेक्ट है विच इज़ कॉल्ड प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग, जहाँ पे प्रोजेक्ट्स के दौरान इफ़ यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग एंड कॉलेज आवर्स आर ओवर, कैन स्टिल कॉन्टैक्ट द फैकल्टी. वो लोग गूगल मीट वगैरह पे आएंगे, तुम्हारा सब डाउट क्लियर करेंगे, तुम्हें हेल्प करेंगे. Also, best thing what I like about SIT is the faculties are always focused towards research. तुम कितना भी बढ़िया प्रोजेक्ट बनाओ, तुम अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट ना बनाओ, फैकल्टी विल ऑलवेज प्रमोट कि तुम रिसर्च पेपर लिखो, विच दे विल get it funded from the college and then they can publish that research paper, which is actually a very good thing.
Sorry to interrupt, but ये चीज़ VIT में भी है, but depending on your faculty and your semester, आप एकदम से फर्स्ट ईयर में जाके एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते कि अच्छा तुमसे रिसर्च पेपर करवाएंगे ये वो. सो VIT में थोड़ा धीरे धीरे होता है, एंड लाइक लास्ट सेमेस्टर में यू हैव अ प्रोजेक्ट कॉम्पोनेंट जिसमें आपको रिसर्च पेपर तो यूजुअली करवाते ही हैं. जैसे मुझसे भी मेरे प्रोजेक्ट पे रिसर्च पेपर लिखवाया ही गया था, एंड इट डिपेंड्स कि अगर आपका अच्छा रिसर्च पेपर तो इट गेट्स पब्लिश, आपको फिर लाइक उस हिसाब से क्राइटेरिया में प्राइजेस मिलते हैं ऑल. And overall VIT का भी like seem chill है, like it's not that stressful. There are rules, but again it's like कि college life है, so you'll end up enjoying it.
एक चीज़ जो SIT का थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम, लाइक हम एज स्टूडेंट्स हमें प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है इज यूनिफॉर्म. लाइक स्कूल लाइफ से अभी सब निकले हो, तुम्हें यूनिफॉर्म वगैरह नहीं पहना है, बट SIT में कैसा है 3 days यू हैव टू वेयर यूनिफॉर्म, एंड उसका थोड़ा सा स्ट्रिक्ट रहता है कॉलेज में. बाकी एवरीथिंग आई अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इज चिल.
इनके यूनिफॉर्म्स, एंड आई रियली विश VIT एक्चुअली गेट्स अ यूनिफॉर्म बिकॉज यू हैव सो मच ड्रेस कोड रिस्ट्रिक्शन फॉर गर्ल्स. आई नो, आई एम प्रिटी श्योर लोग बोलेंगे यूनिफॉर्म नहीं होना चाहिए, बट सुबह उठ के ये सोचना कि ओ दिस इज़ अ बिट क्रॉप्ड, मे बी द अक्का विल स्टॉप मी, क्योंकि भाई लड़कियों को ये यहाँ तक शॉर्ट्स नहीं पहनना, ये मत करना, नी तुम्हारा दिख रहा है, तुम्हारा क्रॉप टॉप में ये दिख रहा है, वो दिख रहा है. तो देयर इज़ दिस वन थिंग ऑलवेज हैपनिंग. ये यूजुअली मॉर्निंग में दे चेक, even if they check in the evening or afternoon, they'll catch you and they'll ask you to change. But yeah, so that's one of the things कि like थोड़ा ड्रेस कोड में भी हमारा होता है कि ये क्यों पहना, वो क्यों पहना, चिल. You will feel like कि तुम आए हो अपने घर पे ही आए हो. मतलब तुम्हारे पेरेंट्स might be much more chiller than this, but हाँ you'll have like कि घर जल्दी आना, ऐसे कपड़े मत पहनना, लड़कों से बात मत करना, ये सब होता ही रहेगा. Guys, we put in a lot of efforts into this, and please show some love. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll link down his Instagram. Follow him. If you have any doubts, please comment it down and like this video. Share it to the people upcoming. Show some love, guys.
Thank you.